Hi guys, it's the boy Jinnxx in the building and welcome back to another episode of our Afro dance tutorial. And guess what? Today we are going to be dancing to Asake's hit single, Only Me. Let's dive into it. So step one, you want to stay down. Then your hand comes to your chest and you send it out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're doing this 6 times. 5, 6, 7 and go, and 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 5 and the 6. I need you guys to take note of the tilting of my head when I stretch my hand out. Out and it comes back. Out and it comes back. Out and it comes back. Now with every movement, when you stretch your hand out, you're having a groove. You have this bounce to it. So you want to put the whole thing together. It's going to look like this, and 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. Yes. So moving on to our next step, which is going to be step 2. You want to cross your right in, you take the other one out, and reverse the whole process back and out. So with every step, your hand stays here, and you step 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. All right. So moving on to step 3, you want to have a heart. You create a heart with your hands and push and stop. So I'll take that again. Heart and stop. Remember, with a bent knee. Then we'll go into the South African dance move called the Dakiwe. Your hand rolls like this, like you're skipping, and your head moves with every skip. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to do the skip just 3 times. 5, 6, 7, and go, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you're skipping to the right, you're moving slowly with that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. A recap of step 3 is push and stop. 1, 2, 3. Moving on to step 4, you raise the right up, your left jumps forward, back, and stop. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this happens almost at the same time. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. To finish up step 4, once you stop here, ta, ta, you go ta, 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 ta. So from here, you want to raise your hand up and it moves 1, 2, 3, and 4, like you're worshiping, that sort of motion. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. While you do that, your leg steps out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So put that together. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, this is our step 5. So 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Yes. So moving on to step 6. This is the variation of the shaku shaku. So you want to step 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. So you double 3 and 4 at that point. Now what your hand does is 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. So want to put that together is going to be 5, 6, 7 and go, and the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. Okay. Moving on to the next step, which is going to be our step 7. Jump forward and back, but that is quite swift. So, tap, tap. So once you get back, you want to dust off. So put that together. Forward, back, dust. Then your hand points yourself, stepping out and in. So out, back. So once you've done this 1 and the 2, and turn. So moving on to the next combination, you want to go into the Afro Moonwalk, what is called the Afro Moonwalk. So you step, then you slide with the one behind and the one in front and meet at the center. So tap, tap. You do the same thing with this. Step, tap, tap. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, go. Step, tap, tap. Step, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, and go. And 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, 8 and 1 and the 2 and heart. 1, 2, 3. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Wave, 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 wave. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ta 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 ta. A, A, A. Move, stop. Afro moonwalk, Afro moonwalk. Okay, so moving on to the next combination. Right from this point, you want to pull, tap, tap, and jump on the third. So I'm pulling with this. 1, 2, and jump up on the third. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Moving on to the next combination. Once you've jumped and you're back here, we stay in this position. So we'll go into 1 and the 2 and the 3 and the 4. So because we started from the right, we're going to double 3 and 4 on the right. So I'm now moving into the left, which means we'll double 3 and 4 on the left. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, so let's put that together from here. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, so moving on to the next step, which is called the Betha kick from South Africa. You step with your hands in front of you, you twist and you kick. You drop that down, you step again with your hands in front of you, you twist and you kick and stop. Alright, so when we're doing this to the music, it's going to be actually smoother than this. The next South African dance move, which is tap, 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 tap. So tap, tap, tap. I think it's called the Nkao Tempela or something like that. So 5, 6, 7, go. Tap, 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 and tap, tap, tap. Okay? Then we'll go into the Yahooze from Nigeria. So you step 1, 2, 3, and 4. With every step, your hand waves, finish, wave, finish, wave, finish, wave, finish, and halt. And this marks the end of our tutorial. So our job right now is to ensure we put this whole combination together right from top and see how we do. So we're going to do that right now. Get your shoes ready, get in the mood, let's go into it. 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, and go, and 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, 8, and 1, and the 2, and hearts. 1, 2, 3. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and wave, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 8, 8, dust, dust, 8, 8, 8, 8, and turn, moonwalk, ta, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and jump, and 1, 2, 3, and jump, and 1, and the 2, 3, and 4, 1, and the 2, 3, and 4, and 8, and 8, and turn, and ta 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 ta. Yahooze 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and finish. Alright, perfect job. Alright, that was a wonderful one. If you've gotten to this part of the tutorial, you are doing such an amazing job. And I need you guys to stay connected to our page, to our channel, because we'll be dropping tutorials every weekend, every Fridays, every Saturdays. There's a new tutorial out here. So turn on post notification. Make sure to comment, like, and share these videos to your friend. And most importantly, I need you guys to subscribe to our channel so you get to see more videos like this one. And also, I've attached the actual music and the dance to this video. If you click on this part of the screen, it will take you to a shorts which contains the music and the actual choreography. Make sure to check that out and see you in our next tutorial. Peace.